apple. Apple is shiny, red and sweet, crunchy and juicy, a tasty treat. Banana is yellow, long and bright. Peel it open, take a bite. Blueberries are tiny, round and blue. Pop them in your mouth, yum for you. Coconut is hard on the outside shell. Inside it's yummy water as well. Dragon fruit looks spiky and cool. Inside it's sweet, nature's jewel. Cherries are small and shiny red. Pick two together just like said. Guava is green with seeds inside. Soft and tasty with the Lime is sour and tangy too. Adds a zing to drinks for you. Grapes grow in bunches, green or purple. Juicy and sweet in every circle. Orange is juicy and full of cheer. Vitamin C to keep you clear. Pineapple wears a crown so tall. Sweet and tangy, loved by all. Strawberries are red with seeds outside. Sweet little hearts you can't hide. Watermelon is big and full of juice. Perfect for summer, no excuse. Papaya is soft and orange inside. Healthy and sweet with goodness wide. Jackfruit is big with bulbs so neat. Golden pieces that taste so sweet. Kiwi is brown but green within. Tangy and fun, let's dig in. Sugar apple is bumpy and sweet. Soft white pulp is fun to eat. Mango is the king, so right to see and golden pure delight. Pomegranate has jewels inside. Crunchy red seeds we can't hide. Paprika, swall and golden fair. Soft and sweet beyond compare. Pear is green and shaped just right. Soft and juicy with every bite. Echigo is wrinkly outside. Tangy pulp we love inside. Lychee has a rough red skin. Juicy sweetness weeks in. Jujube is small and turns dark brown. Chewy and sweet, a tasty crown. Star fruit slices into a star. Pretty and tasty, loved apart. Almond is crunchy, healthy and small. A nutty snack that's good for all. Strawberries are tiny and tart. Add a zing to every part. Gooseberry is sour and round. Healthy goodness to be found. Raspberries are soft and bright. Sweet little berries, pure delight. Mulberries are long and deep in hue. Sweet and juicy just for you. Quince is firm and golden bright. Cook it well for a tasty bite. Sapodilla is brown and sweet. Caramel taste is hard to beat. Fig is soft with seeds I saved. Sweet and chewy with nature's pride.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for strawberry. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. What is the name of the shape below? Triangle. What is the name of the shape below? Circle. What is the name of the shape below? Square. What is the name of the shape below? Oval. What is the name of the shape below? Rectangle. What is the name of the shape below? Heart. What is the name of the shape below? Star. What is the name of the shape below? Cross. What is the name of the shape below? Diamond. What is the name of the shape below? Semicircle. What is the name of the shape below? Crescent. What is the name of the shape below? Hexagon. What is the name of the shape below? Pentagon. What is the name of the shape below? Kite. What is the name of the shape below? Arrow. What is the name of the shape below? Cylinder. What is the name of the shape below? Cone. What is the name of the shape below? Cube. What is the name of the shape below? Trapezoid. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.